Okay students, welcome back again to your online classes. So as you all know that we have started the topic from our grammar section, that is the subject verb agreement. Now in this topic we have read that this is an agreement between a subject and a verb. So in our previous video, in our earlier video, we have already read about some points, some rules. So let's continue the remaining point. So basically very first have a glance about the definition or the summary, what is the subject verb agreement. Now in this topic, subject verb agreement means there is an agreement between a subject and a verb. Okay, so whether singular subject must have singular verb. Understood everyone? When the subject is the singular, then it is the verbs always come as a singular, and the plural subjects take plural verb, and when the subject is the plural and the verb is always comes plural. Understood? So जब भी subject जो singular होगा, the verb is always singular, and when the subject is the plural and the verb is also always plural. Understood everyone? Now we have read 17 points in our earlier video. So today we are going to start from the 18th number. Now the name of a country is always regarded as the singular. Okay, when the sentence starts with the name of a country, it's always regarded as the singular subject. Okay, so here the Bahamas or maybe India, suppose किसी भी country का नाम है, जब भी आता है the name of the country is a singular subject. So the verb is always singular. So the Bahamas has beautiful beaches. Understood everyone? So Bahamas is a country and the singular, so verb is always singular. Philippines is a wondrous place. Okay, so Philippines या India हो गया. India is a rich in culture heritage. Understood everyone? So the name of country is always a singular subject and the verb always comes singular. Next one is 19th number. Adjectives used as nouns are considered plural. Okay, now the adjectives जो होते हैं वो हमेशा कैसे considered होते हैं? Plural की तरह. So the poor, okay, the poor is the adjective. Now here the poor is the preceded by the determiner the. So here the poor means the whole poor, सारे जितने भी गरीब है, complete एक पूरी community, एक पूरा group हो गया, वो बन गया. So the poor is a plural subject. So verb is always plural. Understood? Next one is the efficient are what this country needs. Okay, so यहाँ पे भी देखो जो adjective है उसके आगे हमने determiner लगा दिया, and the adjective जो होता है, adjectives जो होते हैं वो हमेशा plural होते हैं, and the verb always come as a plural form. Understood everyone? Next, number 20th point, collective nouns. Collective nouns means collection, a group of words, जो भी है उसका collection जो होता है, you have already read in your previous classes. So a collective noun may be singular or plural depending on whether the individual members are acting individually or collectively. Okay, तो collective जो nouns होते हैं वो whether they are may be singular or may be plural, लेकिन वो depend करते हैं that how they are act, कैसे वो act कर रहे हैं, whether they are acting individually or collectively. Okay, so these nouns are company, okay, group, committee, crowd, jury, flock, team. Okay, now see the examples. The committee is against the plan. Now here the committee. Now the committee, now here the जो committee जो है it's acting like a collectively. Okay, तो कैसे act कर रहा है? It's collective. तो एक group में act कर रहा है. It's act just like a group. So here the verb is also singular verb. The verb is singular. Now here the committee is the singular. Okay, or we can say a group. एक group बन गया है. ठीक है, एक a unit, one unit. Okay, so the verb is a singular form. Now here the committee are of the different opinion. Okay, committee के सबके different opinion है, उससे पता चलेगा. Different opinion means उनकी बहुत सारे अलग अलग वहाँ पे opinions हैं. So here the committee is the plural. Okay, we are talking about the members of the committee. So the verb is also plural verb. Understood everyone? The verb is always plural when the subject is the plural and the subject is the singular, and the verb is always come singular. Understood? Next one is number 21. Now in the use of mathematical expressions, okay, in the mathematical expressions the following are the accepted. ऐसे मैथमेटिक्स में भी आपने रीड किए होंगे. 7 + 3 is 10. Okay, 7 + 3 is 10. 7 and 3 are 10. Okay, because there are, हम 7 और 10 के बारे में, यहाँ पे 7 + 3 है, we are adding 7 + 3, तो यहाँ पे is now 7 and 3, we are talking about two numbers 7 and 3, so are 5 times 2, okay, 5 times 2, 5 times 2, so here is plural verb. 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2, हमने एक नंबर में से दूसरा नंबर माइनस किया है, so the verb is a singular, understood? So these are also follows in the mathematical term also. Now the next one is the titles of books, okay, titles of books, plays, articles, movies, whatever, okay, are regarded as singular even though words in the title may be plural. Understood everyone? Now what happened? The titles of the, okay, now what happened? The titles, okay, the titles of the book, this is the title of a book. So here that you can see the S, okay, तो आपको लगेगा यहाँ पे ये प्यूरल है तो हम यहाँ पे प्यूरल वर्ब लगा देंगे, लेकिन आपका गलत हो जाएगा. बट इन एक्चुअल में दिस इज द ओनली वन, ओके, इट्स अ सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट, द सब्जेक्ट इज अ सिंगुलर, सो हेयर द वर्ब इज द सिंगुलर वर्ब बिकॉज इट्स अ बुक. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल गुलिवर्स ट्रेवल्स, ओके, तो गुलिवर्स ट्रेवल्स, तो वहाँ पे भी ट्रेवल्स आता है, ट्रेवल्स, ठीक है. सो हियर आपको लगेगा ये सिंगुलर है बट ये सिंगुलर सॉरी प्यूरल है, बट आपको क्या लगाना है, ये एक यूनिट है, इसलिए हम सिंगुलर वर्ब का यूज़ करेंगे. सी नेक्स्ट वन, ग्रेट एक्सपेक्टेशंस. सो ग्रेट एक्सपेक्टेशंस यहाँ पे ऐसे, तो आप ऐसा मत सोच देना देर इज द वर्ड द सब्जेक्ट एंड विथ एस, तो हम यहाँ पे प्यूरल वर्ब लगा दें. बट सी इट केयरफुली दैट द होल सेंटेंस, होल वर्ड इज द नेम ऑफ अ बुक, द होल वर्ड इज द नेम ऑफ अ बुक. सो वेन एवर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द प्लेस, आर्टिकल्स, मूवीज, ओके, बुक्स, सो वेदर दे आर, उनका एंडिंग जो है वो प्यूरल से होगी, लेकिन हम हमारी वर्ब कैसे लगाएंगे, सिंगुलर. अंडरस्टूड? Next one is names of organizations. Take a singular verb when the whole organization is referred to and a plural verb when the members are referred. Same as जैसे अभी हमने कमेटी के बारे में किया था, same as we are following here also. So here see the example. We are talking about the organization, a company, okay, a firm. If we are talking about a firm or company or organization. So here see Lopez and Sons, okay, so we here we are talking about a organization, हम एक organization के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. So this is a complete unit. This one is a unit. Suppose Johnsons and Johnsons. So we are talking about a unit. Is a successful organization. So singular, subject is singular. And the verb is also singular. Understood everyone? Because Lopez and Sons, हम यहाँ पे एक organization, एक unit की तरह काम बात कर रहे हैं. Now in the next example we are talking about the Lopez and Sons are holding a two-day annual meeting. Now we are talking about the individuals company के अंदर we are talking about the regarding the working of the company, कि उसके अंदर क्या चल रहा है. So here Lopez एंड सन्स आर, ओके, उनके कंपनी में जो हर साल 2 बार मीटिंग होती है. अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? नेक्स्ट इज द लास्ट पॉइंट ऑफ दिस सब्जेक्ट वर्ब एग्रीमेंट. इफ अ सेंटेंस begins with the expletive it, the verb is always singular even if the subject that follows the verb is plural. Understood everyone? The sentence starts with it. Whenever any sentence starts with the it, may be always singular. Okay, याद रखना. If the subject is singular, subject कैसा होगा, singular होगा. So verb is प्यूरल। ओके, याद रखना यहाँ पे जब भी कोई सेंटेंस इट से स्टार्ट होगा, ओके, यहाँ पे सब्जेक्ट जो है आपको दिख रहा है, इट इज़ द स्कूल्स। ओके, स्कूल्स है यहाँ पे। ओके, लेकिन आपको यहाँ पे हमेशा याद रखना है वेन एवर द सेंटेंस स्टार्ट्स विथ इट, so we have to put the singular verb whether the subject is whatever the subject is, ठीक है, हमें it के साथ में always it is singular verb, always remember whenever the sentence starts with it is equal to singular verb. Clear? It is. Understood everyone? So remember one thing, that when the sentence starts with it, the verb always come in a singular form. Understood everyone? So these are some few points on the subject verb agreement. Okay, so हमें ये ध्यान रखना होगा, जैसा subject होगा the verb always come according to the subject. Understood? Whether the subject is the singular, so verb is always singular. Whether the subject is plural, the verb is always plural. Understood everyone? So this is the video, so this is the topic of yours on the subject verb agreement, and we had already read the few topics, few points in your earlier video. Okay, so our points already have completed. Thank you students, read all the points very carefully. Have a good day.